Rightio, so if you've been wondering what I've been doing for the past few weeks, I'd had house renovations and stuff going on, so I've been absolutely flat out with that, picking up building materials and all the rest of it. So just want to give you a quick shot in here before we get on to looking at this new jack. But this is going to be the new studio for the channel, so where I can do reviews on products and stuff like that. So just painting it now. It's going to be a new editing room and all the rest of it. So give us a quick little look. I've got some cool stuff that's going to go on this green wall. But yeah, so the house is an absolute mess at the moment, but this is what I'm going to put on that big green wall. Pretty cool. I've been doing some work to the old girl because I don't currently have, as you can see, the F-Truck's canopies over there. I don't have the big girl home at the moment, so I've been working on this thing. So let's do a cold start. So sick. Righto, so we're going to look at this jack, this new jack that I've got, and it has been the best thing. It's bloody cool. Like just my normal jack, like, so I did that with the Pro Eagle, now we'll do it with this old girl. Just how hung up, how much harder it is to push this thing around, like, look how slow it goes up. And then when you try and drag it, it's just old and just worn out basically. All these need to be tightened and they're all flogged out. So, but I'm done with that thing now. Now I'm running this Pro Eagle, so I'll go over it a bit more. So just looking at how fast the Pro Eagle comes up versus the old super cheap jack, it's pretty quick. So like that was a matter of what, half a dozen pumps. This thing, it's just got nothing. It just takes forever to go up. So again, I'm saving with time with this thing as well to get things I need to get done. And super fast, just winds down like any other jack. The handle and stuff is fully removable, and you can shorten the handle if need be. It's got this little adapter here, just so you can kind of get up to what you want to get up to a lot quicker, and then it's adjustable as well, so you can lower it, so that way you've got full, especially for higher vehicles like my F-Truck with a 6-inch lift, super fast for things like that. But it's got nice big grab handles here on the side. I think they do make a cradle for this as well, so you can put it on the back of your tray and stuff. You can have a cradle mount for it, and you can also run it as just a skid, so you can take the tyres off, the wheels off, and just run it around on the skid on the base if need be, which is pretty cool. So this one's rated for 3 tonne. So, but I really dig it. Even just dragging it around the workshop, like you can see there's a rock over there. This thing, getting the bloody super cheap one, getting hung up on things just because it's little cast steel wheels. This thing just flies around like a dream. Like it just effortlessly moves straight underneath the truck, back out again, and we'll yeah, I'll go ahead now and I'll show you how to jack the truck up. But something cool, and I've been waiting for them to come on the market here in Australia. And I think they've been out for a little bit. I think they've been out for about 12 months here, but I couldn't justify it yet to buy one. So, but it just clips on there like that. And we'll slide it under the F-Truck. And so now I've got the whole front of that truck off the ground already, so super quick. Did it bloody easy. Let's let it back down again. Okay, so I want to run over some of the specs with this 3-ton jack. So basically, I'll put a link in the description for Pro Eagle's website, so you can get on there and check out all their different jacks. So mine's obviously the 3-ton jack because I want to try and lift the F truck with it, so I need that high capacity. But they do have, I think they've got a 2-ton and a 1.5 ton as well, in case that's the size that you need. But some of the specs on this jack, like it's got 2-year warranty, it's a full aluminium construction, so super strong, very beefy. So you can see the steel one there. This Pro Eagle one is 27 kilograms, so super light compared to I can only imagine how much the other one weighs. It's probably like 40 kilos, that steel jack. They're not light at all. So it's got 712 mil of actual like lift height through here once you jack it all the way up. So that's pretty high, getting your vehicle off the ground at that height. But yeah, you can jump on their website and check out all the rest of the details about the jacks, the different ton, so 1.5, 2 I think, and 3-ton jacks, and all the different specs and stuff on there. So, but I've been using the thing for a few weeks now, and it's been really good. Just grabbing it and moving it through the shed, like how much you realize how much the little cast jacks suck. When you push this thing around, it's so much easier. So, but yeah, positive from me so far. I've just used it a few times, and yeah, can't really fault it. See how it goes over the next kind of 12 months, and if it lives up to my punishment. So yeah, but really good little jack. Well, I say little, thing's massive compared to the other 2.5 ton super cheap jack, but you see how easy it just glides along the floor. This one stops. Yeah, so that's the Pro Eagle jack. Everything will be in the description if you want to check out their website. A few other things I've got going on, obviously the renovations. I'm trying to get the studio done right now, so that way I have somewhere to kind of do all my filming and everything, and product reviews and do more talking things. And yeah, so I'm trying to get somewhere just to set up all that sort of stuff, do all my editing and everything, just somewhere, because right now it's just been doing it wherever I can find in the house to kind of get things done. It's just not working out. So, but I do have some big announcements coming to the channel, but I just want to give you a look at these. So I've got new Max Tracks with the brackets ready to go. So next week I'm going to be pumping out heaps more videos. As soon as the F truck comes back, I've got to do some filming with that. I'm going to go up the beach, want to do some things up there. Got a new set of King springs for the old F truck, so we're going to be fitting them as well. And then we're also going to do a full shed fit out. As you can see, my shed is a complete mess. There's crap everywhere. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay tuned next week, and yeah, hope you're all doing well, and I'll catch you later. See yous.